We found that table security. Both the sides are similar. So that was considered as symmetric design. Also, in a snowflakes class, even though we put a line in vertical, horizontal, or in diagonal, we can consider it as symmetric design because it has equal sides and balance. Just like also in the Rosette group class. Okay, as you can see class, when we put a line here in vertical or horizontal or in diagonal, they are considered as symmetric design because there's no evidence that they are not balanced or equal design. Okay, so for you to be able to know about the symmetric design, I prepared a video presentation. So for you to be able to know more about symmetric design when you are going in the supermarket or in the mall or in the school. So I prepared a video presentation. So please observe and also see where is the symmetric design in the mall. So let us all watch this. You can consider asymmetry because you have your own or equal okay. So now let us proceed with another topic which is the symmetric design. So now I will ask you something again. Do you have any can you differentiate now what is the difference between symmetric design and asymmetric design class? Yes, Mr. Luis.
Working the asymmetric design is both are not equal size and has not same size.
Okay, very good, very well said. Okay, so let us first define the asymmetric design. Asymmetric design is a lack of equality design, meaning they are not equal or not balanced. Just like this class. When you are in your what we call material management, table security, they can considered as symmetric design because both sides are not balanced, and also the design here in the upper side are not found in the design in the other side, just like this class. And also in the centerpiece, do you think class is in this side we have a sunflower? No, because so now they can proceed considered as asymmetric design because in the other side are not having the same design. And also when we put a line here in horizontal, we can consider as symmetric design because the design here or the flowers here are what? The flowers here are too many, unlike here. Okay? When we put a line in diagonal, we can prove that they are symmetric. So it was considered as asymmetric design. And also in our demonstrative class, the design or the ribbon here is in the upper side, and position in the other side is in the lower side. So, even if you put a cement in a vertical, in horizontal or diagonal, you can consider as symmetric design because they are not equal. Okay, very good. Very well said. Okay, so to proceed in our to fully understand our lesson importantly about asymmetrical and symmetrical, I prepare again a video presentation in different from asymmetric and symmetric design. So please observe again and watch this video.
An object has symmetry, we say it is symmetrical. When an object does not have symmetry, we say it is asymmetrical. An image that has symmetry, a line in the middle, imaginary, folded in half along that line, and the shapes will match up. When an object has symmetry, we say it is symmetrical. When an object does not have symmetry, we say it is asymmetrical. An image that has asymmetry, a line in the middle, imaginary, folded in half along that line, and the shapes will match up. When an object has symmetry, we say it is symmetrical. When an object does not have symmetry, we say it is asymmetrical.
Hey, give yourself class on a round of applause because you already now differentiate the asymmetric and symmetric design. Now to proceed your activity today class, I will recall somebody. May I call Miss Rachel, Miss Ashley, and Ashley, and Sir Jacob. Please come here in front. With your activity. Okay. Step one. No choice for your class. Okay. All you have to do class now is to put a line here in the picture that is in the illustration. And all you have to do is to identify if that is symmetrical or not. Are we clear, class? Yes. So, please reveal your word is answer. So, where do you put your line? Okay. So, what do you call with the repeat word? Is it symmetrical or not? Or asymmetrical? What do you think it is asymmetrical? That side, but we can consider it as symmetrical because what I said earlier, in that angle. So put your line here. Where do you put your line? It's okay. Thank you so much, Miss Ashley. Next we have illustration. Where do you put your line? Okay, that was vertical. So why do you think that is? What do you call by that? Symmetrical. Let me show you. It is symmetrical. So why is it symmetrical? Okay, it has a one sides. Good. How about Miss Ashley? Vertical lines. Because okay, very good, very well said. And lastly, we have the vertical. Where do you put your line? In horizontal. So, what do you call by that? Is it asymmetrical or symmetrical? So, why is it asymmetrical? Thank you so much for those students. So let us now proceed. But before for our activity for today, may I ask again class if you have any question and clarification about our topic for today? None so far. Okay. If none, I will be the one who asks you a question. Okay? So are you ready, class? Okay. As a BPIT student class, how can you apply this lesson in your field of specialization? When you are in your field now, how can you apply this lesson in your own major or in your specialization? And may I call this here?
This lesson po, maybe I can apply this when I graduate and I apply for work and assign as a teacher. So I will be able to apply that this exercises and yeah, assign geometry.
Very well said. Thank you so much. And lastly, I have also another question. So, as a food service management, how can you apply this lesson when you are taking your NC2 in your future? When you are taking NC2 in different parts of food service management. So, may I call Miss?
As a food service management student, I think the modules I will help me in taking this lalo na po sa pag-prepare po ng food, especially po at MCD po ay meron po pastry and bread. Sa tingin ko makakasama po siya. So, di ba, ikaw ako teaching, maninigay ko po siya in equal sense.
Very well said. Thank you so much. Again, class, please give yourself a round of applause. Because you already done. So let us go back. So again, so today we are talking about the geometric design that it has different symbol, different shape, and different curve. And we are talking about also the symmetric and asymmetric design. So when we say symmetric design, it has equal design, and when we say asymmetric design, it has unequal or equality design. Okay? So now class, can you differentiate the difference of this symmetric design and asymmetric design? Now, can you differentiate now? Any volunteer? What is the difference between symmetric and asymmetric design? Thank you so much for active participation. instructions. Make a group and create a symmetric and asymmetric design using cable napkin, block for skirting, and art materials for centerpiece. Are the instructions clear, class?
Yes.
So, it is something big deal. We are going to do a table napkin, block skirting, and for centerpiece. And for your activity, I will be assigning for those groups. So for group 1, we have symmetric and asymmetric table napkin. And for group 2, we have asymmetric and asymmetric table skirting. And for group 3 is symmetric and asymmetric centerpiece. So if you are already done, please have those group that is already done, okay? So that we can see your teamwork. So I will be evaluating you with this, okay? So for if you don't have presentation, you can get 0 point. So if you have good presentation but not prepared, 2. And with presentation well prepared but the design is not ready on the design category, you can get 5. And with presentation well prepared, the design is ready on the design category, you can get 7. And you can get a perfect score if your presentation well prepared, the design is related on the design category, fully explained why is that symmetric and asymmetric. Okay? Are the rubrics clear, class?
Yes.
Okay, class, I will be giving you 10 minutes to do your activity, and please, I want to see your teamwork in this activity because we only have 10 minutes to finish your activity. So are you ready, class?
Yes.
Okay, so without further ado, let's go start your activity.
Hindi naman tayo pwede sa mga. I don't think yung akin.
step. Okay, please go back to your proper class in order representatives of the group will be presented your activity. Okay, may I call the group 1 for table management. Okay, please present your file. Only class representative. Okay. For group 1, what is your what we call by that? What type by that for? Okay, what we call by that for? Okay. Why do you think it is asymmetrical and it is symmetrical?
Symmetrical po siya dahil both sides is equal. Then, dito po siya as asymmetrical po din. Unbalance po siya dito.
Very good. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, next up, representative for group 2. Okay. What is your What do you call by that class? What type of training class? Scalo. And it was considered as asymmetrical because very well said. Thank you so much. Representative part, group B. Dalawa lang. This is the centerpiece of group B, which is symmetric and symmetric design. So this is the first one. This is an example of a symmetric design because it has unequal sides and lack of This is an example of a symmetric because it has unequal sides and number of flowers in different sides. Okay. Thank you so much, Group B.
The next one is the symmetric design. And what we call is symmetric because they have same size, same color, same flower, and the pieces of flowers are same.
Thank you so much, Group B. I appreciate class that you are now learning about the symmetric and asymmetric design. Even when you are different figure, we can say that it has a symmetrical and Asiatic design. Okay, so that's how to proceed. So, do you have any questions so far? So let us now proceed with your let us now proceed with your quiz class. So, I am only pens or ball pens are in your chairs. Okay, please remove all your gadgets and your anything in your I will be giving you 10 minutes to answer the quiz class. So 1 minute per class forward. Quiz starts now. Class is you are finished, already finished, please kindly up your pen. Okay, hands up if you're done. Hands up. Last 5 minutes class. Are you done class? Exchange your papers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. Number 1, letter E. Number 2, A. Number 3, letter A and B. Okay, number 4, dog. And for number 5, dog.
Cat.
Okay, for test 2, number 1 is A. This is a symmetrical. Number 2, S. Number 3, A. Number 4, symmetrical. Very good. And number 5, symmetrical. Okay. And put the scores. Who got the highest scores? 10. Third. 10. 10. 10. Got 9. 9. 9. After class, after. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So much class. Okay. Who is Adrian James? Please come forward. He got 10. How about Troy? I call Mr. Jacob. Thank you so much, class. So, let us now proceed with your okay, kindly read the back.
Read about the application of business, mathematics, and technology. Number 3. What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest?
Okay. In your assignment, you have to review your Google, and I will be uploading your Google class. So, are the assignments clear, class? Yes. So, before we end our discussion, I will reiterate something that no matter how change was created, there is a perfect design if you use geometric design. And before we leave class, kindly stand. And I want you to say that I'm not symmetrically perfect, but I'm beautiful. Again, 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm not symmetrically perfect, but I'm beautiful.
Again, give yourself a round of applause. I will be saying that thank you, DIT 150, for attending our class for today. And before we leave, I input the formulas and